Here we got section for title. Permalink is nothing but URL, and here we have some description. Okay, these three things are there. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So you have to optimize these things. These are the meta tags. By default, if you are not giving this,
Okay.
in Google, when people will search, default information will be taken from your headings and that will show as a title.
Okay.
See, title we know length, but if you are not giving length in the website, like default, you have not done SEO, you have not taken the separate meta tags, by default heading only showing as a title. Now, if that heading is not optimized, then what you will do? Obviously, your SEO ranking will not
Website
be
is
there.
not work.
Yeah. So you have to opt this. You have to make it here. Meta tags should be available. Okay. Or by default, it will take this. By default, it will meta tag will be available, but it will not be optimized well.
Yes.
So you have to make your title here and make your description here. I'm not editing this. Okay. Whenever you have your title, go here, give your title, and this is homepage. You can't give a URL. Give your description. Okay. For every page, you have to do that.
And
Whenever you
social,
create a page.
once click on an edit snip. That social, general.
Which one? Yes, this one, social.
Social.
Okay,
Okay.
got it.
Yes. No, I got it.
So, do you have any title?
Just put it on Hindu Devotional Hub now.
Yeah,
Devotional Hub. That's it
only
now.
devotional hub. So, fine.
Later
When
I
you
will
have a good title, then make it happen here.
Yes, bro.
Do for review pages. Okay, we have this. I have asked you to make a title
Yes, bro.
for review. So tomorrow, like, give me a title. Okay, give me a title, and that I'll implement in the website. Then you will get an idea. Okay, now that is a running website, you will get an idea. So tomorrow we'll continue more. Now, because already it is 8:30, tomorrow we'll continue.
Okay.
Yes, bro.
Any doubts for today's session?
No.
No, not now.
Okay.
Tomorrow, definitely.
So I want titles for sure, only for reviews. Digital marketing, course review, or whatever title you want. Keep the title and try to make 3 to 4 titles. We'll pick one title from them.
Yes.
Okay, why? Because if only one title is there, then we have to make other keyword research. We have to form a title again. So make 3 to 4 titles. We'll pick one title from them. And we know the 500 rupees challenge.
Yes.
Yeah. We'll see. Today, Yashwant has given some titles, but I want something more.
Okay.
Okay, they are good, but I want something more.
Okay, bro.
Okay. So we'll leave.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Bro, bye.
Okay. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Yes, bye.
Bye, guys.
Okay. Bye.